Here we are at the hobby shop choosing what wood we need. First, we need the 1/2 by 1/2 by 36 pieces of wood. Then we need 1/4 by 1/2 by 36-inch pieces of wood. Then for gusset place, we need 1/16 by 3 by 36 pieces of wood. And for the cross braces, we have 1/8 by 1/4 by 36 pieces of wood. We need the wood to be straight, so I'm going to show you how to choose that next. Wood is very expensive, and you don't want to buy more wood than you need. You definitely don't want to buy wood that you can't use. So to tell whether the wood is good or bad, you just simply lay it down on its side. The ones that are bad either have gaps between them or are bouncy. So this one isn't good because this one bounces too much. This one isn't good either because this one bounces too much too. This one isn't good because it has a gap. I've taken all the pieces of wood that were reasonably good and I turned them 90 degrees. And now you can see that some of them aren't good this way either. Like this one. And this one. And then thus we are left with the 4 best ones. Now that we've bought the wood, we have to weigh the wood. If you have a scale at home, you can use that. But if you don't have one and you don't want to buy one, you can go to the post office and weigh it there. So here's how you do it. You do mail, letter, or package. You do package. You do mail. You do yes. So this one is 1.40 ounces. Write it on the end. This chart shows how much our bridge weighs. On the far left-hand side, you can see the names of all the pieces of wood. In the middle, you can see how much each of the pieces of wood weigh. And on the far right-hand side, you can see how much the pieces of wood weigh once they're part of the bridge. You can see how much the material and the members weigh in the bar called total. The material altogether weighs 6.5 ounces. The members our bridge weighs 5.15 ounces. And the maximum amount that we're allowed to have is 5.29 ounces, which is equal to 150 grams. So we're in pretty good shape. If the bridge weighed much more, I'd have to get lighter pieces of wood. If the bridge weighed much less, I'd probably make the end posts heavier because they're supporting the most weight.